Are you looking for the best welding sleeves? In this video, we will break down the top 5 welding sleeves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
The TILLMAN gear is made of top-grain goatskin leather, and, at 9 ounces, they are lightweight and comfortable to wear for long periods. The leather seams are sewn with KEVLAR thread for added durability, and they will not catch alight. With elastic bands included, these leather sleeves are 22 inches long and 2 1/4 inches wide. The bands fit securely to your wrists and upper arms. If you have big arms, however, they may be too tight. Made of top-grain goatskin material from wrist to upper arm, protects key exposure areas from sparks and spatter with less bulk. Royal blue 9 ounces. FR cotton on the upper sleeve. Leather seams are sewn with KEVLAR thread for added strength and heat resistance. These 100% flame-resistant sleeves can protect you from heat and spatter when doing welding work. It has a length of 21 inches for maximum arm coverage. This personal protective equipment is also lightweight, so it should be comfortable to use even for prolonged hours. The elastic cuffs of this material also ensure it stays in place. Plus, it has a substantial length. It provides more coverage than many other standard welding sleeves out there. It fits under a welding jacket easily. If you have a welding jacket, but that doesn't provide sufficient protection against slags and spatters, you can use this as an added protection. These sleeves stay in place, which adds up to your comfort. The elastic top secures it in place and prevents it from sagging down or riding up. You can protect your arms from cut, abrasion or flames using this resistant pair of welding sleeves. It is a sturdy black double-layer 18-inch KEVLAR knit sleeve with thumb holes on the front end. Welding can be a risky activity if you do not have the right gear. BSX Gear Reco welding sleeves have a double layer which offers extra protection from welding flames, sparks and any molten splashes. The layer underneath fortifies the protection by keeping you warm and safe. Remember, abrasion and cuts only happen if you are wearing weak gear. The double KEVLAR layer forms a retardant construction rated at ANSI cut level 4. Also, the welding sleeves are 18 inches long. This means they can comfortably fit on the average height about 6 feet tall. The sleeves come as a pair, and this is crucial to consider as the majority of sleeves on the market come as a single unit. Ideally, welding sleeves should be both comfortable and fitting. They shouldn't slide off either. With the BSX Gear Reco sleeves thumb notch, your arms will not have contact with the flame or other hazards of the workshop. The Westchester IRONCAT welding cape sleeves are made of flexible suede leather tan to be heat resistant. They're designed with a cape that covers your shoulders, with sleeves that continue the full length of the arms. These are great for overhead welding, because they protect you from the shower of sparks and spatter that falls down on the shoulders and arms during this particular chore. They'll keep you cooler than using a full jacket, and they're designed to work together with the IRONCAT welding apron. Plus, it is made with corners and wear spots reinforced with black oxide finished rivets for extra strength. There have been some complaints by users of button snaps breaking, and the possibility of the leather tanning causing stains on clothing. These sleeves offer adjustable wrists and an upright, adjustable collar to fine-tune the fit, and keep the sparks and spatter from ending up down your neck, or in your sleeves. Also, it features a pocket on each sleeve for soapstone, or scribes and leather patches on wear spots for reinforcement. These welding sleeves are tough enough to withstand heat, flames, and more while you use a welder, and they can keep you safe without requiring you to spend much. Made out of 100% cotton, these sleeves are lightweight and perfectly breathable. They're able to withstand sparks and spatter, and they're also flame retardant. A good alternative to a full welder's smock, these sleeves offer plenty of room and elastic on each end to provide a snug, secure fit. As a one-size-fits-all solution, these welding sleeves offer affordable protection for everyone. Keep in mind that sparks may be able to penetrate the cotton material of these sleeves. Also, the sleeves may develop pinholes quicker than other models, causing you to replace them altogether.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.